Here, so I'll show you how to easily create backup of your Premiere Pro project. First of all, open the project and then go to File and open Project Manager. Under Sequence, here you will find the project all sequences. If you want to backup all of your sequences, then make sure to check all of the sequences in the sequence box. And then here, under Options, you can go ahead and you can just check or uncheck anything to backup, and click on Browse and then select the location to export your backup file, and then click on Select Folder, and here click on Calculate, and then you get a estimated file size of your backup file. Then just click on OK and click on Yes, and that's it. You have successfully backed up to your Premiere Pro project. Now go to your File Explorer, navigate to the folder, and here you get this copied folder, and under this folder you will find your Premiere Pro project backup. That's it.